Are you thinking of inviting someone over for a light lunch? Well, here is something to get your brain cells going. One option of many that you can do very easily. So let's get started. You're going to need tomatoes, beautiful red tomatoes. Let's slice those. Gorgeous. Now we are going to slice these in half. Look at those, so fresh. And now let's do something different with our bread. And we're going to do the other side here. And let's try and even this out. Now we have a rectangle. And you can follow the same pattern here. Let's add some butter. This is unsalted butter because we are going to toast one side of the bread. Like you see here, nice buttery toast. And now we're going to add mayonnaise on the untoasted slice of bread. Now add your seasoning. I've used different herbs. You can use herbs, your favorite salts, pepper. Let's add the tomatoes. Add more seasoning to the tomatoes. So notice I added seasoning to the bread itself and to the tomatoes. Look at that. By the way, you can make French toast sticks. Don't throw your bread ends away. Save them. Let's get into something a little interesting. Look how perfect that came out. And of course, we're going to add some cheddar cheese. And add some decor there and a nice serving dish. This is just something to get you started. You can absolutely make any sandwich you want. You can add things to this. Again, this is something really quick, really easy to do. A light lunch. You can add your favorite beverage. This is just wonderful for entertaining your guests at lunchtime.